Hi there, students. Karma. Karma. An uncountable noun. Let's see. Karma is a concept in Buddhist and Hindu religion that says that the actions that you do in this life will influence your actions in your next life when you are reborn. In the West, I think mostly we use this word karma to talk about the things that you do in this life, or the things that you do now, will help you or hinder you in this life. It's the idea of what goes around comes around. So, good karma is when you do good things, you have good intentions, you try to help people. And if you do good things, then good things will happen to you. Bad karma. If you do bad things to people or have bad intentions for people, then bad things will happen to you. I think in the West we're more centered on this current life. Yeah, what you do now will influence you later. This has the same idea as you reap what you sow. Yeah, the plant that you put in the ground will, and how hard you work on it, will dictate what you get back as the harvest. And this is a metaphor for the idea of karma. Doing good things with good intentions will mean that the same happens back to you. So, karma, good karma, bad karma. I think very often they use this word karma to mean a feeling, an atmosphere, an aura. So, this place has bad karma. It's unlucky. It's not a good place. This person has good karma, and I always like to be with them. Yeah, they've got a good atmosphere, a good feeling, a good aura around them. Aura, A-U-R-A. Okay, so they're a good person to be with. They have good or bad emanations generated by a thing or by a person or by a place. Yeah? But I think karma in reality, an action that brings upon you inevitable results either in this life or in your reincarnation. Now, I'm sure many of you watching know a lot more about this than me, so I would certainly be most grateful for your comments on this. Yeah, karma. Yeah, the effectively the moral law of cause and effect. Yeah, do good things and good things come back. Do bad things and bad things come back. And maybe if you don't do anything, then when you need someone to do something, nobody does anything either. I think loosely you could define karma as your fate, as your destiny. Yeah, this is what the world has in store for us. So let's see, formality. I think this is a difficult one. I think, if you're saying this place has good karma, this place has bad karma, or it's good karma to help people, I think I would give that 4.5 in formality. Use it informally, use it semi-formally, semi-formal writing just about. I think if you're talking technically about karma in Hinduism and Buddhism, then I would give that a 5 in formality, and I think you could use it anywhere, even in something very formal. Now, the origin apparently comes from Sanskrit, karman, an act, an action, or a performance. Okay, so karma. So, help people, and it will bring you good karma. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Karma.